Hi, my name's Tim Brown. I'm the Global Brand Manager for Vaxaid. Today I'm going to talk to you about our Vaxaid Deluxe. All our products are shipped in a white shipper. We really value your privacy, and inside the white shipper is our retail packaging. So, inside the kit is the Vaxaid instruction manual. Shows you how to use the pump, the handball and the hose correctly, and it comes in 9 different languages. There is also a cleaning towel, which is actually logoed with Vaxaid on. There is also a USB as well, that also shows you how to use the pump, the handball and the hose, as well as the unique erection rings. There is also a replacement valve and a replacement valve top. The valve is kind of a maintenance item. All the water goes through the end of the valve, therefore at some point it can become a little bit soapy, and so a replacement valve is a useful piece of kit to have contained within the Deluxe pack. There is also a padlock. The reason why we put that in the kit is obviously it's an intimate item and we want to keep it away from prying eyes. So when you put all the kit back into the Deluxe bag, you can actually padlock it to keep it safe and secure. There's also a shower strap. This enables easy use when you're actually using the Vaxaid pump in the shower. Simply slide this over the neck of the pump, insert around the neck. It locates the pump snugly against the body, and it means all the weight of the pump, when filled with water, isn't being held up by the penis. So you simply place the pump against the body and pump. The strap holds the weight of the pump, enabling you to go through your normal shower and bath routine. There are also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unique erection rings, and the size is increased by 4mm per ring, from something that fits relatively snugly to something that's more suitable for somebody who's a little bit larger. So the erection rings are unique. First of all, there's quite a wide outer edge, and the reason why that's there is so that you actually place this on the penis flaccid, put your penis through, and then you place the pump on top. And as you gradually pump, using the pump, you'll find that the penis actually starts to press against the sides, closing the valves of the penis to maintain the erection. There are also 2 nodules. One is for the dorsal vein and the second is for the urethra, so normal ejaculation can take place. And they're made of a super soft silicone material. We also have some cleaning fluid. This is safe on plastics, on rubber, on silicone. So simply after using the product, all you need to do is spray this onto the particular item that you've actually been using. You can either use the attached brush to actually clean the product, or you can simply wipe it down with the cloth or leave it to air dry. We also include in the kit some water-based lube, and that's just in case you want to use the pump in air. Simply coat the penis and the erection ring with the water-based lube, and it ensures easy operation of the pump. To enable you to clean the pump effectively, we also have a cleaning brush and handle. The brush itself is designed so that it fits nicely into the convolutes on the side of the pump, and once you attach it to the long handle, it allows you to clean right to the top of the pump. And we move on to the Vaxaid pump and the handball pump and hose. Simply push the hose so that it attaches to the top of the pump, squeeze the handball in either air or in water, and that creates the vacuum inside the vessel. The pump itself comes in sizes 5, 7 and 9. So I'd like to talk you through how to use the pump. So to start with, you turn the valve 45 degrees clockwise. You then fill the pump with water and insert it over a flaccid penis. Attach the handball pump and hose. Apply light pressure to the pump so the pump seals against the groin, and all you do is to continue to pump the handball. As you do so, you will create an erection, so the exact amount of water being removed from the vessel by the handball is replaced by the volume of the expansion of the penis. You simply pump until you can't pump anymore. That will take around about 1 minute to 2 minutes to create an erection, depending on how familiar you are with the product. To release the pressure, all you do is turn the valve on top, 45 degrees anti-clockwise, and press it, and simply remove the pump. That's how to use the Vaxaid Deluxe.